Hey, let's make some beer brat bites today. Now, we'll start off cooking these brats just like you would any other hot dog, sausage, brat. We're going to make up a very special sauce for these guys. First thing we're going to do is cook up these brats a little bit. I got 5 of them. I got this pit boss set on 350 degrees. I've turned them once. It's been 5 or 6 minutes. I don't know, maybe 10. Look, you could cook these a little quicker if you wanted by turning the heat up. I'm in no hurry here. Now on this pellet grill, I do have the shield pulled back. Hopefully you can see you've got the fire coming straight up on these guys. Okay. It won't be long. Another 5-10 minutes and we'll have these brats about where we want them. And then we're going to talk about this beer sauce. I don't know, it's been 15-20 minutes, who knows? Just cook them till they're nice and brown like this on the outside. Oh, look at that, looking delicious. Okay, looking good. Now we're going to get to the fun part of this recipe. Got a cast iron skillet right here. Okay, right over that fire. I got a Guinness Draught Stout. You don't want to use Guinness? Get your own favorite 12 ounces of beer. For the record, that happens to be 11.2 ounces. We're going to come in here with a couple of dashes, 3 dashes of what's this here sauce. Then what we're going to do, now you got 2 choices here. All right, I'm going to use this colon cleaner mustard hot sauce. You don't want to use this, don't. Put a tablespoon of Dijon mustard in there if you don't want to use the spicy mustard. But I would encourage you to use the spicy mustard or use mustard and then add a little hot sauce. We got a 1/2 cup of brown sugar. We're just going to stir this all in. Bring it up to a boil. Simmer. And then we're going to reduce it down a bit. That's what we're going to do here. Let's get this lid on this so we can heat up. Now what we're going to do while this sauce is reducing, I've let these guys sit here about 10-15 minutes. They're still hot. You just want to cut them in little bite-sized pieces, okay? Nothing too exciting here. You can see, I don't know if that's a 1/2 inch thereabouts. Cut them however big you want. But if you're going to serve them as an appetizer, then you want them to be, you know, roughly bite size, not too big. You can see we got this up to a simmer, right? Now I got about 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. All that's going to do is help us thicken this up. Some folks will make a slurry where you gradually put the cornstarch in with a little water. No issue with that if that's the way you want to do this. But it's all going to blend in once we get this back up to a boil all the way across. It's not even been 2 minutes. I'm going to turn this off. You can see how it's thickened up. Okay. Then we're going to put those brat bites in there. Yes, sirree. I left 2 intact. Those are for my son. He wants to make a dog. Just going to move these guys off the direct heat. Get them all covered up in that goodness. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that. Okay. And like I say, I just turned this pit boss off. Now, let's just let these guys, we got them all covered up. Let's let them sit here, put the lid down, let it go for maybe 5-10 minutes, and we'll pull them off. Okay, we got our brat bites here. Brat bites. It's easy for me to say. Now, we're going to hit them up with a little of this Cottage Lane spicy pepper relish. This particular one is made with habaneros, citrus, and pineapple. Okay? You don't want to put relish on yours? Don't. You can put a little parsley to spruce it up, a little cilantro. But I'm telling you, oh, I can smell the heat already. This is going to be awesome. All right, you don't have to cut these up. You can leave them whole, serve them just as beer brat dogs. Still put the relish on it, though. Or you can cut them up like I've done here. You can put toothpicks in them, right? You can serve them as hors d'oeuvres. Now, with this whole freaking virus thing, you know, the NCAA tournament's canceled. And I think it's the right thing to do, by the way. But anyway, when things get back to normal, and you're watching a game and having your friends over, this is a great appetizer, okay? So we're going to get one of them guys. Put the relish on it. Got the toothpick. Oh, no. Oh. Okay, let's talk about the flavors. Brat flavor. You get sweetness from bringing that beer down and the brown sugar. I get a little spice from that colon blow mustard or colon cleaner. That's what it was. Colon cleaner hot sauce mustard. Look, I turned this around. This is the sterile end. I'll get rid of this because somebody will say, oh my gosh, she's being unsanitary. A new toothpick. Of course, then we get that relish. It's got the pineapple. It's got the habaneros. It's syrupy. It's incredible. Thanks so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you hit that subscribe button.